I'm Brandon Pascal, Head of Incubation at the Launch Lab, and the new Vision 2020 for us is really exciting because entrepreneurship and innovation are really in the center of the new vision, and that's exactly what we do. So we're excited to see how we can help support and even spearhead this new vision into the next 22 years.
I think when you embark on a new vision and a strategy, it's a very exciting moment in the history of any organization, and I'm very excited because we have to keep looking forward. I think University of Stellenbosch can build on a very successful past, and yes, if you look at the core strategic themes, I think it's so important that we will have a transformative student experience, because this is what one of the main functions of a university is.
My name is Maureen Robinson. I'm in the Department of Curriculum Studies, former Dean of Education. I think the main issue is about connecting to people's day-to-day lives. So big words are excellent, and they are excellent big words, but having been in management and now in a teaching position, I think the challenge for management is going to be making this a day-to-day reality for people and people to feel part of the whole exercise. So we'll see what happens from here.
This is Sipho Maokoto, one of the lecturers at Systematic Theology faculty at Stellenbosch. I think that today the strategic plan that we were listening to the rector, it's a very impressive one. I think we need to dig more in terms of our research and try to help the communities in terms of putting forward the strategies on how do we go forward to help the country in terms of the land grab and the land issue, and that we as the university, we have the capacity, we are working with communities, we know the challenges that are there. And I think in terms of our research, if we put weight on those issues, we can make a difference. But the strategy as it is, it's a good strategy, and we can move forward with that.